REXX is a powerful and versatile command programming language known for its intuitive and approachable syntax, making it a fan favorite among both the novice and the experienced programmer. If you're coming to this from a web development background, REXX is a lot like React. They're both flexible and user-friendly, and they allow developers to create solutions without really strict guidelines. To understand how REXX came to be, we need to jump in our DeLorean and travel back to the year 1979. That's when this man, Mike Kalishaw, recognized the need to replace an existing command programming language known as exec2. According to Mike, exec2 was, while adequate for simple commands, proved cumbersome for large and complex programs. To address this challenge, he proposed what he called Reformed Executor, or REXX with one X. It was to be an alternative to the CMS exec and exec2 languages. This innovative proposal was shared before any code was written and included 3 sample programs, marking the start of a unique tradition: documentation before implementation. This unique approach ensured that user feedback played a crucial role in shaping the language. By late 1979, REXX was made available for free within IBM, and it quickly gained traction among users who were drawn to its innovative design and powerful capabilities. Fast forward to 1982, and REXX had essentially evolved into the language we recognize today. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, wait a second, REXX has 2 X's. What gives, Steve? Well, it turns out that to avoid confusion with other products, it gained an X and was renamed, well, sort of renamed, to Restructured Extended Executor, or REXX with 2 X's. Today, you can find REXX on just about every platform you can imagine. This includes the usual suspects: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, z/OS, and if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even run it on Android. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you've learned something. Until next time, this is Steven for New to Zed, and may the code be with you.